My name is Jess and I'm going to be talking today about the GoTalk20 Plus. This is a great device for students or if you're a parent, your child who might be nonverbal and can either recognize some signs or words. It can work for either one. So this is one that I've created with BoardMaker, but there are many different programs out there that you can create boards like this for. And the cool thing about this device is it has the potential for 5 different sheets of paper, which they call levels. So this is one that is laminated. I would recommend doing that. I haven't done it with this one, but that's all right. So you would turn the device on by finding the on switch. I'm going to show you what happens when it turns on. So it should beep and then flash a green light at the level or the sheet that you're on, and this is number 1, so I'm going to keep it just how it is. These buttons up here mean that you can change the volume depending on your child's preference, and this is where you would change the sheet. So say I wanted to put this one in, I would go ahead and hit the 2, but now I want to go back to 1. And you record it all yourself by pressing this record button on the back. And you'll know that it's on the recording mode when that red light shows up. So say that I wanted to redo this symbol for good. So I would simply tap good and say the word and then tap it again. So I'm going to do that really fast. Good. And it will start blinking, flashing when it is recording, and then as soon as you press the button again, it will stop. So now it sounds like, oh, I just recorded again. Let's try it one more time. Good. So I forgot to tell you is you have to press the record button one more time, turns it off that mode, and now, good. You can hear that. So all in all, I really like this device. There are a couple of really cool features such as the level lock and the record lock. So say your child is messing with things and likes to press this button and actually goes to 3, but I don't have anything recorded, so when I press it, nothing happens. You can record it, or you can lock it so that it will just stay on the sheet that you would like. And the other one is the record lock, so that they don't accidentally start recording things over what you've already done. But this is a great way to communicate, especially for students who are nonverbal or children who are nonverbal, and I would definitely recommend it.